Good day I be to everyone. My name is Mohd Syazwan from the Civil Engineering course. I am doing the bibliometric analysis of modular buildings for sustainability and affordability criteria. To start, modular construction is a process where a building is constructed off-site using controlled plant conditions before being transported and assembled at a final location. This type of construction can incorporate a range of different building types and floor plans. Modular buildings constructions have been starting to emerge since the past few years throughout the globe. Since it is still a new technology, it comes with several drawbacks which in this paper focusing with sustainability and affordability criteria. On top of that, there are numerous journal articles discussing about these topics which are being uploaded into a popular journal database every year. With that, bibliometric analysis is also conducted to analyze these articles. The objective of this research paper is to find how deep the sustainability and affordability criteria are discussed globally, and how to use the produced bibliometric guidelines for the researchers to find the related topics. Other than that, this paper will also find what are the detailed drawbacks of modular buildings in sustainability and affordability criteria, and what are the recommendations for future researchers to be considered related with the modular buildings in sustainability and affordability criteria. First of all, sustainability and affordability are such an important factor in developing this modular construction for the sake of current and future generations. The goal of sustainability is to meet people's basic needs while ensuring the natural systems, resources, and diversity are well maintained and enhanced. For affordability, the balance between the initial capital cost, efficiency, and productivity of the constructions have to be considered. Therefore, different views of journal articles towards the modular building sustainability and affordability criteria are further discussed in this paper. For the methodology, bibliometric analysis here means analyzing large sum of journal and articles that are uploaded into the journal database, such as Scopus, Web of Science, or Google Scholar. It helps to understand the emerging trends in article and journal performance, collaboration patterns, and research constituents. In this paper, bibliometric analysis will help to identify the top 10 performing countries, journals, institutions, author, funding sponsor, publications, and hottest research team regarding this topic. The 5 steps shown here are the process conducted in bibliometric analysis. The most important part that I will explain about is the technique used for this type of data. To summarize, large quantities of bibliometric data that have broad scope and large dataset, the performance analysis technique is chosen compared to the other 3 common techniques. The values such as total publication, total citations, and H index of the author are taken and calculated to identify the top 10 from each criteria. With that, for the past few weeks, few results have been obtained which are shown here. We can know that out of 683 journal articles which relate with the keyword modular construction buildings, sustainability and affordability, we are able to identify the top journal, author, country, institutions, and funding sponsors for those papers. For example, University of Alberta, Canada here is the top institution that published the most documents out of the other institutions. We also know that China is the top performing country in different journals, and they also dominate in this modular building field with 237 total publications. In conclusion, bibliometric analysis is useful for both established and emerging researchers who wish to pursue a retrospective of broad and rich areas in business and construction field. Despite of that, bibliometric analysis have some limitation, such that the Scopus and Web of Science database are not produced exclusively for bibliometric analysis and therefore can contain errors. Therefore, the data has to be cleaned and filtered, such as removing the duplicates and erroneous entries before proceeding. In the future, VOS viewer software will be conducted to illustrate the findings from these results of bibliometric data. That is all from me, and you can scan the literature cited code here to view the references. Thank you.